make a jellyfish craft, you need a paper bowl, some ribbons ranging from about 1 foot to 3 feet in length, different colors, googly eyes. I'm using tape instead of glue. The pencil will be using to poke a hole in the middle so we can hang up our jellyfish. And I'll be using hot glue to attach the eyes. So go ahead and poke a hole right in the middle of your bowl first. Then we'll go ahead and start taping the ribbon. So flip your bowl over. It's going to look so beautiful.
Okay. Maybe different next one.
A net? So I went ahead and looped a ribbon through the hole here. So this is for hanging. We have all the rest of the ribbons taped down. Now we're going to attach the Google eyes. I'm going to help you, okay? Very hot. Good job. Thank you, sweetie. So cute. So we'll just let it dry. That is so